So hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Telegram channel using your desktop computer or laptop, anything you have. So if you guys want to get the full information, then you have to watch this video till the end. So don't skip the video, because if you skip the video then you'll miss some important part of this video. So don't skip the video. So now without further ado, let's begin. So guys, first you need to open Telegram, and then after that just tap on this button, and then here it will show you this menu. So just tap on new channel to create a new channel on Telegram. Tap on it, and then here just wait. Let's tap it again on this. Why it is not working? My internet is connected. What is the problem? Tap on new channel. Okay, if you tap on new channel, then it will show you this thing. So after that, first is that you need to type your channel name over here, and then here you just need to type the description of your channel, but it is optional. You can also leave it. So I'm going to type a simple description. This channel is about tech, about computer and coding. Okay, and then tap on this button, and you can also add photos if you want. So tap on it to add photo, and then choose your photo and tap on open, and now here it will show you this thing. So from here you can crop your photo, but this is fine. So I'm going to tap on done, and now you can see my photo is over here. So after adding your photo and name and description, then you can tap on create button, and over here you can see your channel is curated. And on this page it will show you this pop-up. So you can see public channel and private channel. So if you want to make a public channel, then you can choose public, and if you want to make a private, then you can choose private. So if you make public, then anyone can find your channel and join your channel. But if you make private, then you have to send link to someone, then only they can join your channel. So I'm going to tap on public, and then here you can see link. So you just need to create your link. So I recommend you to create a simple link, but now this is a demo, so I'm going to just type any kind of link. This link is available. After that, tap on save, and now add member. You just need to add some member on your channel, and then tap on add, and now your channel is created. You can see over here, this is your channel. You can type anything like this is my new Telegram 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 channel, and tap on the enter button. And now from here you can block notification. You can send emoji if you want, like this, and from here you can send some voice recording. So that's it. What's up guys, thanks for watching the video, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also tap on the bell icon so you don't miss the new videos on our YouTube channel. And if you are watching this video on Facebook, then I want you guys to follow me on Facebook, because if you follow me on Facebook, then you'll get new videos every day. So make sure to follow me on Facebook, and also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, to get more information about technology. So I'll see you again. Stay tuned, watch our videos every day, because if you watch our videos every day, then you'll get new information every day. So watch our videos, and I'll see you again. Peace.